Cookies are, ma'am, now should I start, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Cookies are the text files stored in the client computer. Usually is used for various tracking purposes. Steps involved in identification of using cookies are there is one browser and a server side. When the browser send a request, the server store it, and when again the browser send a request to the server send response plus cookies, and that will be stored in the browser side, server side. For example, when client has a name, age, ID, number, it is stored in a service already. Once it's again it send a access, means like client sends again the access. So the browser should not cannot be no. One second. The browser will not have to enter the ID number again. It's already stored in the service side. There are different types of cookies: non-persistent and persistent. Non-persistent cookies are the valid single section only. Means cookies are removed when the browser is closed. But in persistent, it cannot be removed. It can be removed only after login or if you want to remove. Step 2, set the cookies. There are 3 steps to set the cookies. Create the cookie object, set the maximum age, and send the cookies into HTTP response. To create the cookie, we need construct. Means cookies C is equal to new cookies, and in bracket the keyword name, and you have to pass the values. And to set the maximum age in the how long the cookie will be valid, means second, that is C dot set maximum age and the time set, means 60 into 60 into 24 any time, that is a period till the cookie will be valid. And send the cookie into HTTP response. HTTP response means used to pass the additional information about the response itself to the server. That is response dot add cookies. The cookies name means C1 that. Now there are 2 sets of cookies and read cookies. Sets cookies read cookie set cookie means response plus dot. Ma'am, PPT. Ma'am, I don't know the
Which PPT?
sets
Which slide?
types.
Types of cookie.
Okay. No, ma'am. Set the cookies and read the cookies.
Okay. Setting and sending a cookie.
Yes. Setting and the sender cookies. Cookies first name is equal to new cookies that and the sender parameter. Response dot get parameter. And then set the maximum set means maximum valid maximum age, and then remove dot response dot add cookies the first name. This is how we set the cookies. And read the cookies is a types of is a error types object. So we to read the cookies then array is equals to response dot get cookies, then print out the cookies. Let's out, yeah, out print in cookies array value dot get name. This way we read the cookies and set the cookies. That's it, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Kirti, very good. You have explained with example also.
Thank you, ma'am.
Others should also try. So cookies, we have seen it is a very small text file that is on your computer only. Cookies are stored on computer, but it is placed by the web server. When we are visiting some sites online, so that website or that web pages contain cookies, which store information about the client. So cookies are stored at the browser side on the browser computer. Okay, on the browser computer, but not browser computer, at the client browser. Okay, so and the how it is placed by the web server only. So cookies have some parameters, name and value we can set, expiration date, then path of the cookie and domain of the cookie. So these are the some information we can set in the cookie. Then types से cookie के session cookie, permanent cookie, third party cookie, सबका meaning पता होना चाहिए. Where cookies are placed. These are the some methods of cookie class. Then setting and sending and cookie. How to first we have to set the cookie. Cookie class है and this is the object name. So how we are creating the object of any class. कोई भी class होने दो. How we are creating object. First write the class name. Then object create करो फिर equal new keyword then again write the class name. In bracket the first value जो है it is the name of the cookie and second parameter is value of the cookie. Name and value. These two parameters we can set while creating the object of cookie. My cookie is the cookie name and my cookie value. This is name and value pair. Okay, name and value. Then after creating the cookie, we have to add cookie in the response page. Then only वो client side में जाके store होगा. ठीक है, response page में means web page में तुमको क्या करना है? You have to include the cookie. So response is the object of HTTP response class. HTTP response. Okay, now we are using only the object. HTTP response तो सिर्फ object यहाँ use कर रहे response. The response dot add cookie method. Add cookie method it is used to add cookie to the web pages. So add cookie और object. Object क्या cookie है ना ये? Okay. तो इससे क्या पता चला? We have set the cookie and send. We can send the cookie. Send कैसे हो रहा है ये line के through? By adding cookie in the response means what we are doing, we are sending the cookie. Then cookie expiration time. To set the cookie expiration time, what is the method? Set maximum age. Set maximum age के method से we can set the expiration time of cookie. ठीक है? If you want to remove the cookie, so what will be the value of set maximum age? If you want to remove the cookie, so in set maximum age method, which value we will pass? 0. क्या पास करेंगे? 0. ठीक है? So removing cookies, same this method is used. Set maximum age. Cookie को remove करने भी and for the expiration time means how long cookie will be valid. So expiration time के लिए भी and removing cookies के लिए भी same method is used, that is set maximum age method. But अगर तुमको remove करना है cookies तो 0 लिखना पड़ेगा. You have to pass the, you have to enter 0. ठीक है? In set maximum age if you want to remove the cookie.